Alright, just a quick video today on these dream sticks. Kicked the camera, didn't I? We have two different sized dogs. I'll put up a picture here in a second. And we got a small dog and a big dog. These are fine for the big dog, but that is way too much for a small dog. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Husky, I believe this is a PVC pipe cutter, and we're going to take about 3 or 4 of these, stick them right in there, get about halfway, and just keep ratcheting it down, and then it cuts them perfectly in two. Because I tried to cut these with a knife, and they just tore all to pieces, and it took forever. But yeah, then you got the small dog batch and the big dog batch. But yeah, that Husky PVC pipe cutter, you can just ratchet it down there, stick a couple in there. Let's get them a little more even there. Okay, just like that. Nice and simple, and you got treats for both hound dogs. All right, thank you for watching, and please click like and subscribe, and grab yourself a cup, and we will see you around the house.